The 2026 Nokia 1100 4G marks the return of one of the most legendary mobile phones ever created, now redesigned for the modern 4G era while keeping the simplicity and reliability that made the original device famous across the world. Millions of people still remember the classic Nokia 1100 for its incredible durability, long battery life, and easy-to-use design, and this new version brings that same spirit back with modern connectivity, improved performance, and a refreshed look that fits perfectly into today's fast-moving mobile technology world while remaining simple, practical, and dependable for everyday communication needs everywhere. The design of the 2026 Nokia 1100 4G stays true to the classic keypad phone style but introduces several modern touches that make it feel fresh and comfortable in the hand. The body is built with durable polycarbonate materials designed to survive drops, scratches, and daily wear, while the textured back provides a secure grip even during outdoor use. On the front, users will find a bright and clear display that offers better visibility under sunlight, making reading messages, checking contacts, and navigating menus simple, quick, and comfortable for people of all ages in different environments every single day easily. One of the biggest upgrades in the new Nokia 1100 is the addition of reliable 4G connectivity, which allows users to enjoy clearer voice calls through modern network technology while also supporting essential internet services. This means people can access lightweight apps, browse simple web pages, send multimedia messages, and stay connected with family and friends without needing a complicated smartphone experience. The phone also supports wireless updates, improved signal stability, and better call clarity, ensuring communication remains smooth, dependable, and accessible whether users are in busy cities, rural villages, or traveling long distances during work trips, holidays, or daily. Another highlight of the 2026 Nokia 1100 4G is its impressive battery performance, continuing the legacy that made the original phone famous around the world. The device includes a large removable battery optimized for long standby time and extended talk sessions, allowing users to go several days without needing to recharge. This feature is especially valuable for travelers, workers, and people living in areas where charging options may not always be available. With efficient power management, the phone delivers reliable usage day after day while maintaining strong network connectivity and consistent performance for calls, messages, and essential mobile tasks everywhere. In terms of features, the Nokia 1100 4G offers practical tools designed for everyday convenience. Users can enjoy wireless FM radio, a bright LED flashlight, a simple music player, and expandable storage through a micro SD card slot, making it easy to carry songs, recordings, and important files. The phone also includes Bluetooth support for wireless audio connections and file sharing, along with a basic camera capable of capturing quick photos when needed. These additions keep the device useful and entertaining without overwhelming users who prefer straightforward technology that works quickly, reliably, and efficiently in daily life situations, anytime, anywhere, easily. The software experience on the Nokia 1100 4G focuses on speed, clarity, and simplicity. The interface uses large icons, clean menus, and responsive navigation that makes sending messages, managing contacts, setting alarms, or checking the calendar extremely easy even for first-time mobile users. The operating system is optimized to run smoothly on efficient hardware, ensuring stable performance without unnecessary background processes. This approach keeps the phone fast, responsive, and energy efficient while also reducing distractions so users can focus on communication, productivity, and staying connected with people who matter most every single day of the week and year ahead. Security and reliability are also important parts of the 2026 Nokia 1100 4G experience. The phone includes essential privacy settings, call blocking, secure contact storage, and software updates that help protect users from common mobile threats while maintaining stable operation. Nokia engineers have focused on building a device that works reliably for years thanks to strong internal components, optimized software, and durable construction. This commitment to quality ensures the phone remains dependable for students, workers, families, and anyone seeking a trustworthy mobile companion for everyday communication needs across different regions, markets, lifestyles, and age groups around the globe today. And another reason many people are excited about the return of the Nokia 1100 is its affordability. Compared with modern smartphones, the device is expected to launch at a budget-friendly price, making it accessible to students, seniors, workers, and users who simply want a reliable backup phone for travel emergencies or daily calls. This balance of low cost, strong battery, dependable connectivity, and simple features makes the phone a practical option in markets where affordability and reliability matter more than complex smartphone functions or expensive flagship hardware that many people do not really need in everyday communication situations worldwide today. For fans of classic mobile technology, the 2026 Nokia 1100 4G represents a perfect blend of nostalgia and modern innovation. It reminds users of a time when phones were focused on communication reliability and battery life rather than endless apps, notifications, and distractions. By combining the trusted design philosophy of early Nokia devices with modern 4G support, the company has created a phone that appeals to both older users who love the original model and younger users looking for a simple, reliable digital communication tool that avoids unnecessary complexity in daily life and mobile usage habits today everywhere around us. As the 2026 Nokia 1100 4G enters the market, it proves that simple phones still have an important place in today's technology landscape, offering dependable communication, long battery life, durable construction, and easy operation for millions of users around the world. Whether someone needs a reliable daily phone, a travel companion, or a backup device, this modern revival of a legendary model delivers impressive value and practicality. If you enjoyed learning about this device, remember to subscribe to the channel for more technology updates, reviews, and future smartphone stories coming very soon to keep you informed, inspired, and connected always.